Hey guys, welcome back. This video is not going to be your usual Mac versus PC because here at Revealing Tech we simply use both systems. However, what I'm going to talk about are a few things that are specific to either Windows or OS X, which in the end might influence your decision when pulling your card from your wallet. So as you can see, I have my external monitor connected to my MacBook Pro, which you can find a review of on our channel. And the rest of the demonstration is going to be given using a screen capture program. So ever since we started our YouTube channel, people have been leaving comments asking us why anyone would buy a Mac and not a regular PC. Well, put simply, there are certain things that you cannot do legally on a PC. Namely, you cannot use Xcode, which is an application for writing and developing apps for the iPhone and iPad, or the iPod Touch. Another thing you cannot do is Final Cut Pro. So you cannot edit video with Final Cut Pro, which, along with Avid and Adobe, is a leader in the film industry. Now, about the things that should be done in OS X and Apple decided not to include in it is this one. So as you can see, I have Final Cut Pro open with all its windows and gizmos and things, and on top of the screen I have the menu bar. If I switch to my external monitor, which I'll do in just a sec, you'll see that if I'm using the color application, which is related to Final Cut Pro, I will not have the menu bar right on top of the application, so I'll always have to come back to the main screen. And if you're using a huge monitor, I mean, in terms of resolution, huge, it can get quite annoying and tedious to go back and forth between monitors and use the menu bar. Instead of manually resizing a window to fit half your screen, you can just drag it to the left and to the right, and it automatically resizes for you. And then just pull it back and it's the size it was before. Same thing. If you pull it to the top of the screen, then it goes to full screen. Well, this can certainly be done by just double-clicking the... Okay, the next thing we're going to show you is also related to Windows. So, for example, we have two Windows Explorer windows open, and if we shake one of them, just this one remains on the screen with a desktop behind it, and shaking back brings the other windows behind. So this works if you have 100 windows open of the same app, shake one of the windows you'd like open and all the others go away. Now, another thing is the fact that you have, whenever you go to the taskbar, you have a preview of the windows open, so you can actually see what's going on, and when you go to one of them, it shows you this specific window. Okay. Now you have the special button for showing desktop. Okay, now let's set the icons to be in the middle as you would have them on a dock in macOS. This is a bit of a trick. Okay, so the font disappeared, and this looks as if it were a dock. That's about it. So like I said in the beginning, this video is not meant to be a battle between Apple and Microsoft, because in the end it's just a matter of personal preference, obviously. And above all, whether you want to pay for a Mac or you want to pay for a PC. Other than that, it's just a computer. Stop arguing about whether Windows is better or OS X is better. People use whatever they feel more comfortable using, and that's gonna happen.